Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete or restore your blog on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new post stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete or restore your blog on Blogger. So first of all, go of course and click on the blog that you want to go and of course restore or everything, and go on of course to the settings option. Then you need to go and find the manage blogs. So you can go to the settings and find the manage blog, as you can see here. You have it. Then you need to click on remove your blog. So it is this button here. And then you have a button here. And there you can go and delete it easily. To restore the blog, you need to go and find the trash. So you need to go and find the trash if it's possible. So out on the left side of the list, you need to go and find the trash blogs. And there you can find it and restore them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.